Something we need to fix is the notification that's on top of our chat head, because when we click to view our conversation, the notification should disappear. However, it's not. To fix this, we're going to go into the inertia patch that's connected to the HSL color of the overlay, and we're basically going to get an input splitter. Connect the output of our multiplexer to the splitter and publish the output. We're going to drag the output all the way down to our JavaScript, and this is the JavaScript patch which controls our chat head. So I'm just going to open up the code view and add some code to our if statement. So we're going to say and copy this, and we're just going to want to change it to 1, so we're going to be checking the output from our multiplexer, and if that is equals to 0 and also input 0 is less than 6, we're going to output the notification. So obviously the stopwatch is more than 6 at the moment, so we're outputting the chat head without the notification. So we run this again. We can see that the notification is now gone. Next, we're going to bring in the conversation view when we click on our chat head. This is going to get a little bit messy, so I'm sure you can find an elegant solution and lay out your patches much nicer than I will. But I'm just going to throw whatever I can out and see what happens from there. So we're just going to want to bring in our message.png, get a billboard, connect it. I'm just going to bring these over here so a little bit more space. I'm going to copy this, and I'm just going to rename this to reset, just so I know what's going on. And this inertia is just going to control the width of our billboard. So we're just going to put that in there, put this into the width. So I'm going to change the initial value to 0.608. And this might be different for your composition, so you can adjust yours as we go along. So don't take my values here as final. Just experiment and see what works best for your composition. So my final width is going to be 0.679. It's going to copy this down. And this is going to be for our Y value. And I'm just going to set this to 0.0416, and the final value to minus 0.0914. Okay, so we just need to connect our resets. And the last thing we need to do is add some transparency. So it's going to connect our color to color here, and connect this to input, and our reset to reset. And we're going to turn these up to white so we can display our image. And we just have to change our final value to 1. So that's looking pretty good, although the avatars here are a little bit too close to the pointer. So I'm just going to change that a bit. I'm going to come down here. Where is it? Here we go. And maybe just change it to 0.215. That's pretty good. Possibly change the X value as well. Turn it up. So that's it. I hope you've learned a lot from my tutorials, and I urge you to keep playing with this composition and maybe to implement cover feed and dismiss multiple notifications and maybe tidy up the composition and just find some shortcuts. So yeah, thanks for watching.